Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Yudi Saputra. I am from Indonesia. I am student in University Pendidikan Sultan Idris, Perak, Malaysia. This is my project to analysis qualitative methods from my lecture, Professor Associate Dr. Muhammad Yusuf. I want to demonstration NVIVO 14. How to use NVIVO, how to analysis qualitative data. Today I'm going to demonstrate to you on. To use data NVIVO step by step, start from we register or file register, code uploading or extract data, and at the end of the my demonstration are we going to use to show you and to convert your analysis data into the diagram. Okay, uh, now what I'm going to do is go to use to NVIVO, make sure that you ask for the latest version, which is i14 and NVIVO 14 Pro. Go to click, double click. Okay, this is the Windows to NVIVO 14. So the first thing that you are going to do is go to the blank project, new project, and click OK. Okay, here we come a new project. Little you need to file it's your subtitle and the description about the rules. Okay, for me I just thought a simple ones, the challenges and self efficacy teacher teacher. Okay, a simple one for this fence. Sorry, you want to fill in the conflicts. You in the conflicts title are not all yours. Click OK. Click OK. We have the interface for the NVIVO that we already recommended with all the title receipt. Your timer. Okay, you saw the receipt. And you click project. Okay, this is Windows to NVIVO. First, what they are going to give the first one data. You can to the click, right? You can to import data, import files to video interview. File is this menu that you are going to upload all your material, including your interview transcript, observation video, and all the data you need to upload. We are going to upload all. We need to fill in all the coding or IV and DV, something like our focus or subfocus. The codes. For example, in my research about the front in the classroom, I have focus and sub-focus. This is my research, the challenges and self-efficacy teacher. I have four focus. Into the coach, I will show to you how to upload it. It's go to the notes rack. You go to coach, you click new coach, and make sure not the new folder, just choose the new coach. Okay. Okay. uh, Go to my title, challenges and self-efficacy of primary school teacher in support the learning of students with autism spectrum disorder in inclusive classroom. My focus is challenges, self-efficacy, strategies, and support learning. My sub-focus is my question is okay. Okay. 1 2 challenges. Go to NVIVO. Okay. A. You click to A. Challenges. Yes. Great. Okay. Okay. You click okay. Okay. You go to codes. The codes. Okay. For B. Self efficacy. Efficacy. Okay. You click okay. And new codes. Okay. This is my focus. Challenges, self-efficacy, strategies, and support element. This is my focus. Okay, this is a focus. You click new codes. Okay, my sub-focus to lot of challenges. Go to NVIVO, lot challenges. You click. Okay, one to the new codes. Okay. Okay, my sub-focus is 1 challenges, 2 self-efficacy, 3 strategies, and 4 supporting. Uh, you're going to B, C, and D in your NVIVO. Okay, okay. You fill in the sub-focus. Click here on your note. Choose in 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, okay, okay. I am upload to my sub-focus for to the project focus. Okay, and you go to files. You go to files, click here, import. Okay, you go to file, you import file. Okay, my file is okay. I'm going to my file. Okay, this is my file. You click. I click my file. Open. Okay, import. Okay, import file. Okay, to the file, and here I will show you how to upload on file interview data including all transcript. I'm going to upload to my transcript. Go to the file, import file. Okay, now I will have YouTube. This my for research. I have 5 participant, 4 participant. I will upload all the participant interview sheet. Okay, you click. Right, okay. This is my participant one to Ahmad Hidayat. To what are the teachers? Okay. Next process, I'm going to code it all in interview transcript. First, I will like the selected is a Levy or first participant double click. Okay, this is my participant, and I will interview material for how to interpret transcript. You go to the challenges. Okay, okay. Go to challenges and code it. Code it. Code selection and to challenges. Code selection. Okay, okay. In the codes. Okay, this one-to-one codes one reference. Okay, I am finished to code interview 1 or 5. Next, okay, this is to complete go analysis to the codes challenge. Okay, okay, to challenges. Okay, double click to here. Okay, you copy or you copy and paste to the file. Okay, you copy and paste to the file. Okay, this in your data codes. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to generate diagram or moving. Okay, okay, comfort in the diagram and moving. I want to show you first. Go to the transcript. I want to the diagram, the relationship between all the codes. Okay, participant one explore diagram. Okay, double click to interviewer, explore diagram. Tara, this is interviewer to codes. Okay, you can actually see all the codes influence the participant one and participant two. I want to use to show about you convert diagram. Okay, you copy in your research copy and you faster to the your research. Okay, okay, your copy and you okay, okay. This is my data. You data your research. Okay. Mm, Last but not least, I would like to thanks my lecturer, Professor Associate Dr. Muhammad Yusuf, my best lecturer on all the lesson in the semester 2, 2023 for this lesson about in the KFP 6 0404 Qualitative Research Method and my classmate. I hope this video can help you and how to use the review. Thank you. Uh, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.